Hi, we're here with Lacey at the Extreme Makeover Show.
Hello.
And Lacey's going to do some things that she's been wanting to do for a while that don't require surgery. She's looking at different surgical options. None of them were very appealing to her, so she's going to take this route instead. What things were you looking at doing with regards to surgery to affect what kind of change in your body?
The tummy area, of course. Flatten it down a little more, kind of like firm it up, tighten it. And I have even considered one of those leg lifts to pull everything up and tighten it up a little bit. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is non-surgical, so I was like, let's try it.
Now, body contouring is as important as bringing down the belt sizes because ultimately everybody wants to look better in a thong. It's not just about getting the size down. Liposuction, one of the biggest drawbacks to that, and tummy tucks is that besides the obvious scar that it leaves to let everybody know that you had surgery, it doesn't contour the body. It just makes it smaller and oftentimes makes it look horrible in the thong because you have a scar left afterwards and loose skin. The whole point of getting work done is to make it look like you never had work done. Hello, we're here at the Extreme Makeover with Dumais. And we're in our third week now, about 6 sessions into it on the body. About 3 sessions or 2 sessions in on the face. And in the short time that we've been doing this, all of 3 weeks, she's experienced results that she's been trying to look for over the course of 15 years with regards to different procedures, cosmetic, surgical procedures that she has wanted to do in order to enhance her features. Can you go a little bit into what you were looking to do in the past and what you did recently and what kind of changes you personally see?
Thinking about doing, a surgical procedure as doing a facelift, which involves cutting and drugs and downtime. So if there's an alternative way of doing that, this would be, great because of that.
Now, the very worst that you can get insofar as side effects are some of these little scabs that you saw here, which will go away in the next week or two with some very minimal things like aloe vera, warm oatmeal, and or some skincare products. So out of all of the negatives, death, scarring, loose skin that you can get from plastic surgery, the very worst that you will go through with this are those couple of blemishes on the face. Now, sunspot reduction, in addition to reduction of the frown/laugh lines and the crow's feet, will easily take 10 to 15 years off of any woman, no matter how flawless her body is. So those are things that you look for in maintaining your beauty and preserving your features going into your professional or your personal goals. Especially nowadays with everything that's going on, you're constantly auditioning for a new job, a new mate, everything is shifting in the world. So the last thing you want to do is look raggedy and haggard and worn out from your last difficult experience. You want to look as fresh as possible going forward because that attracts more people and more opportunities to yourself.